This is a radical equation that we want to solve. We want to try to find the value of r. Okay, well, anytime we're dealing with any sort of a radical equation, the very first thing that we have to try to do is to isolate the radical. We want to get that square root expression. In this case, it's r plus 2. See how this is all under the square root? We want to get that portion all by itself. I've got this -4 here, this -4 that I need to get rid of. So we're going to treat this like a traditional equation. So we need to get rid of this -4. The way that we do that is to add 4, and we have to do it to both sides. Remember, with any sort of equation, we need to do, if we do it to one side, we have to do it to both sides. So I add 4 to both sides. That these -4 plus 4 is 0, that cancels out. And then 7 plus 4 is 11. So well, now we've isolated this square root sign, square root expression. So now what I have to do is to get rid of it. And in order to get rid of a square root, what we'd have to do is to square both sides. So well, remember, what we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So we've squared both sides here. And this square root symbol here and this squared will cancel each other out. So that leaves me with just r plus 2. And on the other side, I've got 121, because 11 squared is 121. All right, now we're going to solve this just like a normal traditional equation. I've got r plus 2 equals 121, and I'm trying to find the value of r. So what I'm going to do is get rid of this 2. And the way I do that is I subtract 2 from both sides. I find out that r equals 119. Remember, you can always take these and plug these back in as well to make sure that you got the right answer.